Exciting cars await. Get
You're so smart. Super! We need to take parts off the dump truck.
Keep going.
Perfect. Now we can fix it. Choose what we're going to repair. We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Perfect. Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super duper! Wonderful! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super! That's it! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks.
Keep going.
You solved the problem! The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Use the tool to cut the chains. Pick up all the junk with wires.
Keep going.
Awesome! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Super duper! You fixed it! The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with wires. Excellent! Wonderful! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue.
Keep going.
Awesome! Put the patches in the silhouette. Diamond! Heart.
Keep going.
Rectangle. Circle. Star. Awesome! Connect the pump to the wheel. Magnificent! Let's pump the wheel.
Keep going.
You fixed it! All done! Now help to assemble dump truck. Keep up the great work! You can upgrade the vehicle. We need to get to the construction site.
Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Let's go! Let's go!
Congratulations! I'm so proud of you! Here is your prize for your great work on